Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn lowercase alphabets. Let's find out some color names. Green color. Which color kids? This is green color. Red color. Which color kids? This is red color. Dark green color. Which color kids? This is dark green color. Violet color. Which color kids? This is violet color. Orange color. Which color kids? This is orange color. Blue color. Which color kids? This is blue color. Let's start the video kids. Small a. Small a. Small b. Small b. Small b. Small c. Small c. Small d. Small d. Small e. Small e. Small f. Small f. Small g. Small h. Small I. Small j. Small k. Small l. Small m. Small m. Small n. Small n. Small o. Small o. Small p. Small p. Small q. Small r. Small r. Small s. Small s. Small t. Small u. Small u. Small v. Small w. Small x. Small y. Small z. Small a. small b, small c, small d, small e, small f, small g, small h, small I, small j, small k, small l, small m, small n, small o, small p, small q, small r, small s, small t, small u, small v, small w, small x, small y, small z. Okay, kids. Please like, share, and subscribe.